Today.
Tom, do you want my eye?
You fucking better give me your eyes, bitch.
Double with a half twist.
I'm sorry, Pompilio.
Let her hang.
Degree of difficulty? Is it high up there? One beer.
No, it's gonna die.
Okay, go.
No way.
Okay. Who else is going? No one else is going.
Actually, you know, you think about it.
Why aren't you
Marco,
going?
you're not going?
Why aren't you going?
Yeah, later.
You're
I don't
Are you
know.
going?
Yeah, I am.
So, do it.
Never time.
Go, Paul.
I don't do heights.
Yes, you do. You did last time. I saw you.
I'll do
Ooh, get those eyes in, buddy.
I think that might have
Side
hurt
eyes,
something.
I think.
I think that.
Is that okay?
Did that tingle?
Tingle.
Smelly, what's on my video?
The worst is
We got it too.
Yay! Grant, way to go. That one was a nice one. I give it a 9. What? I give it a 9. Who's the one? Oh, it's some back who does a cycle jump. Oh my god, he's a okay, that's a 9 too.
Ivan was still jackknife. Ivan? Yeah, way higher than a rat.
What is it?
It's the.
Man, yeah, what's
I've
it?
never
Get
pushed
up
one.
there.
Good. It's like 25 feet.
And he's like, way over the edge and all stuff like we're going crazy. Like we're getting worried. Here's your cigarette.
Dumpy.
Skiing terms, double dap, spread eagle.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Let her hang!
It's because the rock is
Dive it,
round.
baby!
13, when you get there, you can't really tell here.
2 somersaults, a pike, and then right in
You
there.
know that rock that we went to the island?
How did you get up so quick?
Armpits are okay.
The island.
No.
If you were so plastered that night, holy shit.
Everywhere.
It was holding to
Fuck, it's so high to get on that
Oh,
pole.
you're kidding!
Stallion! Get up there.
Those pork pies. Too bad.
Together, who jumped on 5 in a row? Was it you guys?
It's all of us.
Not idiots, but
I haven't even got the little kids to go with
yeah, no, like everybody jumps all together. Like,
I was
even
wondering
went
where
off
Joe
with
went.
a couple of people. It's scary when you don't know where everybody's gonna fall.
I've got the wetsuit.
You know? Yeah!
What's that thing away?
There she goes. Yay! How's the
What are
water?
you doing?
Is it nice?
Thunder.
It's nice. I know, I'm gonna go.
Thank God.
He's rock climbing.
Your ankle.
Yeah, I'm anxious. No problem. Okay.
Oh, Georgie.
She did it.
Way to go, Georgie. You could have just went through one yowza.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
This is freezing.
It's nice.
Yeah, as long as you stay on the top, eh, Georgie?
Yeah.
Are you gonna go jump, Georgie? No.
What are you doing, Paul? You climb back up now?
He's gonna jump off out that little face right there.
Zawiesz się na moich nogach.